texting anybody else to get free parts?
No, not today.
So, welcome guys. My name's Nick. This is Mechanic Built. If you guys haven't met Rob, this is Rob.
Yep.
And as you guys know, he has the Mach-e on this channel, and we somehow convinced somebody to get free parts for us. Well, they actually reached out to us and reached out to him, and vice versa. They kind of reached out to people that, hey, can you review some of these products for us? And Rob's just like, yeah, we got a YouTube channel, so why not? They sent him a couple parts. They sent him the shift ring for the shifter here. It looks like you also got one for your the volume knob, right?
On the screen. And
then I kind of like this. They kind of give you a bag, but you got to think about it. They sent this to us, so, you know, trying to review the product, see how they can make it better. So here's one thing I would kind of notice. I mean, like, they give you extra strips, and right off the bat, when I opened these up, I actually had to push in the adhesive in here, and I'm not too fond of this. I get it that we're going to be putting it on top of metal, but when it came out of the package, I mean, this is kind of a little worrisome. At least it's sitting, but it's been kind of pulling up. And then right here, it almost kind of came off the edge. So we just kind of had to push all this back in, and I've been kind of massaging it. As you can see, I'm kind of massaging it right now. And then, did you actually look and research the price on these?
yeah, they're about 30 something bucks.
Each?
No, for that, and then this was like 30 bucks.
Okay. This one's about 30.
About 35.
This one's about 35. This one's about 30.
38.
Okay, that's not bad. I mean, they want us to give us a review, so they sent us the products. I think that would be one thing I would definitely take a look into. These, however, I do kind of like. They actually came packaged pretty well. I was a little bit worried that when they came in just the plastic, I would expect some scratches on them. They're using 3M double-sided tape here. This is going to pretty much cover the very rear window. And then they kind of give you some alcohol pads. Obviously, the stuff's from China, so it says adhesion promoter, and it doesn't tell you what's in it. So this could be alcohol. This, I don't know.
Could be something else.
Could be something else. It's in Chinese. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. Rob's going to be installing them on the Mach-e. I've been always bagging on him. If you guys look around the vehicle, you'll see that he put on a lip. He then put on a front bug deflector without telling me, and he just decided to be like, yeah, I just want to put it on. I just want to get it done. And then I think before I even moved up here, you already put on the door handles, which I can't complain, but the other two parts would have made good videos.
Yeah.
But now here we are. We got some stuff that a company sent us over for you to try out, see if you like it, and then if anything, if we have any issues later down the road, we'll make a video about that later. So let's go ahead and actually start installing these. And you got back in this Mach-e because obviously here in Washington it's raining. It's raining. So let's go ahead, dry out this vehicle, and kind of get some of these products on. So I'd start on the outside and then we'll go on the inside.
Sounds good.
All right, so I'm believing this is going to be our driver's side here. So we kind of did an earlier check. Yeah, that's why we have the alcohol. This actually fits in pretty well. There's a little bit of a gap, but nothing too crazy. Got the neighbor's dog in the background screaming. What do you think of that?
I think it looks really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, no major gaps or anything. Fits pretty well. If we angle it up, like push it up, try to seal the top when water and shit gets in up top.
Well, I don't think that's going to be too much of a worry here.
Okay.
Because you got the 3M tape pretty much all around.
Yep.
So that I'm not too worried about. So you could either go all the way up or all the way down. You know.
Probably all the way up.
I would do all the way down.
Or down like it.
The other one on the passenger side actually fits a lot better.
Okay.
But Rob's going to go ahead, clean up this window, and then we're going to stick this on. So Rob right now is using some glass cleaner first before we actually use the alcohol prep pad. So make sure you kind of get in the corners and everything like that. If anyone's curious, what are your windows tinted in the back?
These are factory, so...
These are actually factory?
Yeah. So I want to say they're 20%.
So you just match the front?
Yep.
Okay. I wasn't sure because on the Maverick, it's limo all the way around.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Nice.
Rob, one side first. I wanted to... Okay. Rob's always getting ahead of himself, if you always notice that. Parts just randomly get stuck on.
Yep. Now that
Okay.
it's all clean.
All right. So show the camera how to peel a 3M sticker.
So all you're gonna do is you're gonna find the very edge, use a nail, try to separate it.
And the 3M tape ain't coming off, is it?
No, I was pulling on it a little bit, but and you're just gonna pull these off.
Kind of stick like a utility knife in there, like a razor blade.
Yeah, you could do that as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So your vehicle, however you place it, careful with that. Man, you're just going balls deep in there.
A little bit.
Stick it, slap it on there, smack it.
Nah, you just want to line it up, make sure it's good, and then just press on it.
And press on it all the way around rather than, yeah, so you want to push on it every like couple inches or so. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Rob's actually pushing the whole car, so you are putting some pressure on it.
Yep. Nice. Not bad.
And then you're gonna see that there's plenty of fingerprints right onto here.
Yeah, we'll wipe it off.
So we'll wipe that off later on. No, I would use the microfiber. I could see this kind of scratching easily.
Probably, yeah.
We'll see. I mean, kind of looking at it, I think it's already, yeah, you could actually see that looks like the,
Plastic?
no, because it's like all scratched.
Yeah.
Not 200% crazy about that. But it is nice though when you look from afar, but when you look up close, you could kind of see like they sanded it from the factory and then they painted it.
Yeah.
All right, so that goes, this is our driver's side, so let's go ahead and get to our passenger side and stick on our louver. Man, it always seems like we always forget a step, huh?
Yep. Forgot the alcohol prep pad.
Yep.
So let me go ahead and open that.
Damn, that's a pain in the butt to open.
Yeah, a little bit. Smells like it.
Smells like alcohol?
Yep.
Definitely alcohol?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nope.
No?
That is a different chemical than alcohol.
It's really strong.
Has alcohol in it, but
Yeah. Something else in it.
I wouldn't get that on the paint. That smells almost like brake clean.
A little bit. But we'll put it on the window. Just clean it up with it. Okay. All right. Now we have our second window louver. We're gonna go ahead and take off the 3M tape. All we're gonna do is the same thing as the other side. We're gonna go ahead and put it on, line it up a little bit, just like that. Then we're gonna press it on. Looks just like the other side. Looks good. I like it.
All right, so let's go on the inside and put on these rings.
Cool.
I'm gonna be holding the camera. Rob's gonna be installing the what you call it, the
Knobs.
They're not knobs. Well, you have the shift ring and then you have the volume knob ring
Cover. Yeah.
cover thing, and so we're gonna install that, and I'm gonna be holding the camera. Are you ready, Rob?
I'm ready.
All right. So as simple as this should be fairly easy. There's no prep work really to be done. Just make sure your knobs are clean.
Yep.
Or so you could put on your rings. So go ahead and I'll see you on the passenger side.
Sounds good.
All right, so this should be fairly simple, right?
Yep. We're gonna go ahead and install it by throwing it down, push it on, nice and tight. It's not gonna move really. I don't feel it. Doesn't feel loose. Looks good.
All right, and then lastly, we got the volume knob.
Yep. Gonna throw that on, just like that, and then now.
Still a little crooked. You got to push down on the other side. Yeah, it's kind of sketchy because you got this whole screen here.
Yeah.
Spin it around for me. Spin it around again. It's not bad.
Not bad.
So I guess you could say that was a fairly easy install.
Super easy.
All right. So like I said, I know these products were sent to us, and I want to again thank AOSKonology.
AOSK.
Or just it says like ASOC or
AOS.
AOSK.
Yep.
They're on Amazon. We have the links to these products used and other products that Rob's gonna, me and him are gonna work together to put on the description below. Usually sometimes if it's something that you might like or, you know, that has good reviews from like an Amazon review. If you had to rate it from 1 to 5, starting off with the louvers.
Louvers, I'd probably give it 4 out of 5.
Give it a 4 out of 5.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Finish is okay. It's not bad, but at a distance, it looks good.
Yeah, at a distance, like with it standing right here, the Mach-e's about, you know, about 10 feet away from me. It looks really good actually, but the thing is, like when you look up, like I said, it seems like somewhere in the production line there's a bunch of scratches,
Yeah.
and they got painted over. And I would say 4 also.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
4 out of 5.
Yeah.
Because I do like how it's pretty simple for the price point. You can't beat it for $35.
No.
It looks like it'll stand up, but only time will tell.
Yeah.
And then what do you think about the rings?
I actually like the rings. I think adds a little more character to the inside of the vehicle, rather than everything being all black. Kind of like it.
You kind of like it being red?
Yeah.
So you have a red Mach-e, you got red rings.
Yeah, it matches the Mach-e, so yeah, I like it.
So
Probably give it 5 out of 5.
give that out 5 out of 5?
Yeah, pretty happy with it.
I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5. The reason for that being is it's kind of nice. They kind of give you extra adhesive in the little pouch, and they give you this nice little pouch so you can put your little change in here when you're done or whatever. I kind of do like this. This is a nice added bonus.
Yeah, that is nice.
The 0.5 would be, I guess, the placement of the adhesive when it came right out of the box.
Yeah.
Most people that want to install this don't want to mess with unpeeling it, cleaning it up, and putting it back in.
Yeah.
But again, it could have just been the one that we ended up getting.
Yep.
That just so happened to be on the volume ring. That adhesive just sticks up just a tad
A
bit.
little bit, yeah.
But again, I did like it. It's aluminum, so you're, you know, for $30, nice piece of aluminum. It kind of, I do, like you said, I do like how it matches.
Yeah.
It is kind of nice with the volume rings. So if it was me, I wouldn't put a blue one in my Maverick.
Okay.
But that's just me.
Yeah.
And I actually did buy one, and there will be another collage of all different Maverick accessories that I put on. But if you guys made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and hopefully we can get some more Mach-e parts thrown on here. Business email is definitely in the description below for anybody that wants us to take a look and review products, whether it be for these vehicles or anything, even tools. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
Good, yeah.
This is Mechanic Built, and we're out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Peace.